Welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making pickled peppers and cucumbers, known as acar in Indonesia. I have hot peppers from my yard that I have washed and I'm taking the stem off. Now I'm measuring half cup sugar. If you're watching your sugar intake, you can completely skip the sugar. 1/8 cup white vinegar plus 1 tablespoon. Half teaspoon salt. And 1 cup water. Stir until sugar melts. These condiments are very common and are served in almost any eatery in Indonesia. They are really easy to make too. Pour the solution enough to cover the peppers and leave it overnight. I have an English cucumber. I cut it in half. Then I cut it lengthwise. You can de-seed the cucumber if you like, and I use a small spoon to scoop the seed like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button for my new recipes and turn on the ring notification. Thank you for your support. If you don't mind the seed, you can just dice it like this. Pour the rest of the sugar vinegar solution that we made earlier for the peppers, or you can make a new batch. This looks like this is not quite enough, but we're going to shake it. Now it looks okay. It will shrink up the longer it stays in the solution. Thank you for watching and see you next time.